Yo, can you guys hear me? I'm not gonna have music this time because seems like YouTube do not mess with the music. All right, I got an email, and yeah, it's just the music they don't like, so no music this time. All right, with the stream, so I'll make sure to disable the music this time. And yeah, that live, unfortunately, I don't think you'll be able to see again. Yo, yo, yo. We back, we back, we back. No more audio, no more music. Damn, they got me, bro. They got you, boy. Again, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I'm gonna get the thing on again. Hold on, guys. Dude, I just went live on TikTok. I don't even know how this thing works. What's good, bro? Anyone familiar with TikTok Live? Just trying to see if I can go live on multiple different places at once. Probably saves me effort. Alright, anyway. I'll keep it up here, I guess. We'll just chill. You're not familiar? Okay, hold on. Let me get the stream. Hold on. Where is it? Oh, snap. Did anyone hit TP on the gold longs? There's 2 different places you could have TP'd. Nope. What do you... Wait, hold on. Alright, let me get the stream back here. You guys see it? So I said if you TP here, you would have hit TP on this trade. Otherwise, this might be break even here. Because there's a PY right there. Right, and that aligns with the 5-minute here. And the NQ is still holding. We'll see. ES was so close to taking out the lows, dude. There's some divergence going on with ES and NQ. Because ES is close to taking out the low. NQ, not really. It's chopping, bro. It's choppy. It's very choppy. No music, by the way, y'all, for the rest of today's stream, because I'm not trying to take the risk for y'all. I know we said screw YouTube first, but that's we gotta keep on a low. Gotta keep on a low. I'm almost done with my indicator here. I'm gonna see if I can publish this once I fix a few settings here for you guys, and then you guys will be able to have access to it. chat box frozen? Oh, you're right. Hold on, let me fix that. I don't know why that joint's frozen. Hold on, I gotta refresh it. Yeah. Using underscore. Yo, we got, what the hell, bro? We got hella people on, or not even hella people. Why are there so many people here? What is this? Huh? I think I'm getting botted on TikTok. There's like 20, there's like 50 people in the live on TikTok. How to edit the title? Not gonna lie, I have no clue how to edit title here. No, not settings. Any y'all on the TikTok, let me know how to fix this joint. Oh wait, no, I don't think you can have titles on TikTok Live. Right? There's so many people on the TikTok Live. Let's see if gold here can hold to the upside. So we can hit the original PY target here. NQ looks awful, dude. It's just chopping up. We're going to get a big move here. Alright, I don't know. Hyphens or equals. Oh, maybe I can do that. Stars. Let me try that. I don't think PineScript's gonna let me do that. Underscores look bad. For those on TikTok Live, I'm currently on my YouTube streaming. All right, if you want to see the trades, you can just join the YouTube Live. Yeah, I'm trying to stream on TikTok. I've never really done it though, so I have no clue. Like, oh, I just refreshed the chat box. Should work now. But yeah, I'll have to look into it later off stream. All right, peace out, man. I'm gonna go watch 16R 8 session. All right, sounds good. Yeah, for those that haven't seen it, check it out. I just posted it like a few minutes ago, or not a few minutes ago, like an hour ago. Just going over a trade I took that ended me 16 risk reward. It's a very easy model once you learn it, to be honest. And like I said, gold, you could have TP there for a long or a hold for the high PY target there. Yes, just missed the PY barely. Gold, you could still be in this trade depending on how you manage your trade. Well, I'm gonna go back to my indicator stuff here. Killzone daily bias. Dude, I think I'm getting spammed on TikTok. Just random people joining. What the heck? All right, gold. Let's see the push. Let's see the push we need. We should be going for those highs on gold. Again, if you guys have not joined, check out the free Discord, all right? Check out the free Discord, and you can check out also the course link as well to get access to an entire course. It's a free course, and it is also the paid course, which is where I teach my entire strategy. So would definitely recommend you guys to check that out now while it's still on sale with the $200 off. Otherwise, it's going back to the original price, and you don't want to be missing out. Trust me. Dude, that song is stuck in my head now. Young, Black, and Rich, bro. Actually stuck in my head. Young, Black, and Rich. Come on. Come on. Come on, gold. Let's push the TP. Come on, man. No, I'll figure out the TikTok stuff next time. But I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I'm bad at short form content. That's why I've been sticking with YouTube. Ain't gonna hold you. I'm young, black, and rich. Oh, this dude had a part 2? I'm still in this gold long, by the way, guys. Let us see if we can get the 3-year reward. I honestly think we'll hit it. So we'll put the label here. This is about to hit. We bought a bank here for 3-year reward. This is the power of high risk reward trading, you know? You take a loss or two and you come back stronger. I'm just testing out the optimization of the indicators right now, and it's just a little bit slower, to be honest, loading stuff. But that makes sense because it's a heavy duty indicator, so don't be surprised with that. But yeah, again, remember, no trading for me tomorrow. It's a holiday. I'm not interested in trading on holidays. There's gonna be no volume, even if there's trading till 12, like someone said. There's no liquidity, so let's not trade tomorrow. Let's come back, you know. It's my turn. Come on, gold. We finna hit TP. I'm about to go for his 3R. 3R holding, 3R. Anyone in this go long? Yeah, you could have TP'd earlier. If not, you just hold with me for our original target. There's also a re-entry method too, if you missed it. NQ is flying. Again, if you took my proper entry, you would have just been a break even on the NQ trade. And then with the gold right now, you would be 3-year reward. Just hit TP. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Back in my day, I used to be a rapper. Back in the day. I took an impulse model on NQ. This is risky though. I'll see if I can manage the trade pretty fast. Probably last trade for the stream. I'm not gonna lie, I did not do too much analysis before I entered the trade. I'm kind of busy right now, so I'm gonna go back to working on the indicators here. But yeah, that would be the last trade for me. So stream, you could have, depending on how you manage, if you weren't greedy like me. Wait, what the heck? Yeah, if you weren't greedy like me, you would have TP'd for 2 restored on the first stop hunter setup. And then you would have TP'd for, or hit break even on an NQ. And then took a 3 restored on gold. Let's go. Dude, we probably go for the highs up here too now. Not be surprised if we go for those highs. Would not be surprised. We have so much momentum right now on gold. It's insane. Anyone here trade negative risk reward? I tried it for a little bit back then, but the expectation or expected value of it is just not worth, bro. It's not worth. Bro, how did I get 298 viewers on a live? Is that normal for TikTok live? I literally just, it's my first time going live on TikTok. No clue. Guys, seems like gold is about to go for the highs, man. See, unfortunately, we just reacted to inducement here on the on original longs up here, man. Otherwise, I would have hit because I was looking for this. There we go. There we go. So the first trade on stream was originally this trade here. I got greedy to go for that. So that's a -1 there or break even. It really depends on how you manage this trade here, to be honest. Because this would have been a TP with my stairs TP as you go with, but I got greedy today on stream. You guys saw that and we paid. Indicator should be done now. Let's see. PY, IPG, daily bias, week group together. Nice. No watermark indicator, unless you guys want me to add that into it. The all-in-one. Because the UI for watermark is pretty damn long. Screw it, I'll add it, and then later on, if you guys don't like it, we'll comment it out. Easy work, all right? Yeah, we're live on YouTube. All right, we're trading right now. Caught out some trades. All right, if you don't know the entry model for the gold, join a 100 course because I teach the entry model. And the course members know exactly what entry model I'm using right here to catch this banger here. 2.7 sword, 3 sword basically. Any re-entry point? No, man. Unfortunately, there was a re-entry, dude. With my strategy, you would have re-entered here if you missed this. But we already made 2 upside moves here, so you missed both, basically. Because we had one here. You could have TB'd here. Another one here, but you missed it. So, yeah, there's no re-entry here. No re-entry. What? People are gifting stuff? Maria just got the #1 gifter? Or Maya just got the #1 gifter badge? Bro, what? What the hell? What even are gifts? Bro, there's so many people that just joined TikTok. I don't know what's going on. I don't know if it's bots or if it's legit people. I guess I'll find out at some point anyway. We are reacting off the supply now. But the best setups, like I said, was really just this here and gold longs, man. I don't know if you guys caught that. If you didn't, you gotta get the course to know the entry, man. Unfortunately, you guys can't hear the music, bro. Bro, what is this gift, bro? Who's gifting? I don't think I can accept stuff on here anyway. What? Whoa. Oh my gosh, TikTok is confusing. All right, guys. So I'm gonna publish an indicator now, okay? For you guys. Oh wait. F format time frame. Oh, hold on. Yeah, I'm gonna publish an indicator for you guys that are wondering. That want to use indicators. Again, join the WAP, join the website. You get access to the course, hundreds of course, and you can also get access to the indicators, man. Y'all know what's up. Y'all know what's up. Time frame. Damn. Go dumpy. Go took a dumpy. There's the impulse model with my strategy. If you wanted to go short there, you would have TP'd if you were scalping or you hold. But I didn't call that one out. Format from watermark. I think the all-in-one is Gucci right now. It's taking a while to compile. It's almost 2,000 lines of code. Oh my gosh. Huh? Dude, I'm honestly so confused. TikTok is confusing, man. Impulse model, impulse delivery. Y'all know what to do there. Again, if you haven't seen a new YouTube video, you want to learn how I trade without paying money, like a sneak peek, check out the recent video I posted about the 16 risk reward caught using my strategy, man. LA woke up to money. It's that easy. It's that easy. Again, $200 off with the code July 4th. You only get limited time to use it, so I recommend you use it now before you regret it and come back later, because you won't be able to use it later. Group underscore over. Huh. Random group. Random group. Look at that sniper TP, man. Right before the dump. Hopefully this stream there's no copyright. There shouldn't be. So it should be up later. We'll see. Wait, can I use these? No way. Wait. Can you guys see the old stream? I don't think you can. I think it got copyrighted completely. Yeah, there's copyright on it. Nope, it's copyrighted. Can't believe gold is dumping this much though. We did have impulse delivery. I'll do some quick analysis for you guys on the lower. We still have not hit the POC yet on the higher time frame. But yeah, that mitigation there was what I was looking for earlier. Just we had another mitigation cycle down before that. Two actually, because we had another one back to back. Unfortunate, man. If only stuck to my normal rules of TPing there, it would have been 2 sword and 3 sword. It would have been 5 hour a day on gold. And then NQ break even or -1 depending on how you trade. Can't change the font Pine script, unfortunately. Was it just me that took the 3R, guys? Did you guys not take this entry? If you're not in the course, you probably didn't understand the entry. But if you're in the course, you know this exact entry model. Unless you just missed it. Alright, so I finished an indicator. It combines all 5 right now together. And then obviously once I get the, what's it called? Once I get, the structure indicator and drawn liquidity, I'll combine it into the all-in-one. But for now, we have every indicator that I'm currently using often combined together. So hope you guys do enjoy that, man. I'm gonna, here's the Discord if you guys want, and the course as well to join. Okay, code July, it says on the stream, but July 4th for $200 off. You can check testimonials, check your code Discord, do whatever you need. Would you guys like the background with the lights on, I guess the ring light off more? Or do you guys like the ring light on? Sometimes honestly both is chill. Like sometimes low key without the ring light on, it's not as bright, and also it's more of a chill laid back vibe, you know what I'm saying? Background is nice. Appreciate it, Juan. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, ski. Another entry model there with my strategy. If you TP'd, this is what I call my impulse model that I teach in a course, and then you can just go for a one risk reward, and you would TP off this 1 minute PY here. That's unmitigated, as you can see, right? This is the flip. The origin is down here. This is the flip, and this would just be your scalp, for example. And then your targets is completely up to you. I'm hoping gold does go for those highs though, because that's what I was originally looking for, man. For gold. We did TP on the first trade, don't get me wrong, but I'd like to see if gold can go for the highs again. That would be ideal. Ideal situation. We go for the highs again. Have y'all seen the Indonesian people, the Black and Rich, going crazy, bro? Absolutely going crazy, man. We'll see if we can get an OB entry model, though it's a lower probability now that, because this kind of impulse, it's not entirely impulse delivery here, but it's like a B impulse delivery here. So if I was in this trade, if you would have scalped TP here, or you TP here at this PY, or you go for the high here, which is another potential. That's an 8 risk reward trade, my brother. But yeah, really looking for gold to go, man. And it's a scalp on ES for one risk reward as well, if you wanted to take that. So there's so many ways you guys can trade, man. Right? Some people go for crazy targets like up here. Some people go for just scalps for like 1-to-1. Others go for like POIs. How I trade usually, I don't scalp too much. I actually like to go for the big move. So that's how I was able to catch this 3 sword here, going for the big move, right? This is the type of trading I like to do. Some people like to doing scalps. And that's a personality thing. That's up to you guys on, what you prefer, honestly. And I'm going to publish the indicator now. I'm just testing everything out right now with the indicator, but everything should be good here with the all-in-one indicator package here. Again, if you want access to the indicator, check out the WAP. It'll have access to everything. Everything looks good. Let me confirm this real quick. Dude, this code is massive, bro. It's almost 2,000 lines, man. Almost 2,000 lines. But yeah, no training for me tomorrow, guys. It's July 4th. I think you guys should also take a day off. It's not good to... I'm not saying it's not good to trade every day, but it's just like, come on, man. It's just one day and the volume is going to be dead, so... I'd feel like... what's it called? You should just take a day off. Because someone told me you can actually trade until 12, so it's like, that's crazy because I'm not going to be trading. There's going to be no volume. It's just probabilities, man. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad, but I'd rather not risk it and trade in good conditions. Like gold, bro, today on gold. So on the stream, I caught out, this is a stop hunter setup. So you could have TV'd here. I did not. And then you could have managed to break even if you didn't. I took a loss here. Okay. And then I took a winner here for 3 risk reward. And you can see the power of the high risk reward trading, right? This 3 risk reward makes back this 1 loss. So I'll label this as -1 here. But you could have broke even here depending on how you trade, right? I just didn't follow my rules here. It should have been a break even. I didn't follow my rules. So more of an emotional thing. I got too attached to the trade. All good. But again, we're just trading pro trend here. So in this case, ideally, you'd be going for the highs here if you want. But the point is today, really just to tell you guys, man, that, focus on taking the A+ good quality trades, ignore the low probability trades, and then just trade with the trend, man. Have a good draw liquidity, trade with the trend. Use a structure indicator like mine or whatever you want. You can get access to that in the mentorship for free. If you sign up for the mentorship, we have 3 spots left for the one-on-one mentorship. If you want the course, there's still the spot for the course as well. With the $200 off. So that's sale. Let me check right now. So the $200 off, guys. Sale ends in 2 days. Thanks for subscribing. We got a new subscriber, Juan. Yeah, so 2 more days. It ends July 5th. So on July 5th, July 4th, coupon code for 200 off the course. 100 risk course is gonna disappear. So you can either choose to learn my strategy now, invest in your education, or you can wait until later and just pay more. So it's up to you, however you want to join. But our group's been cooking, man. We have almost half our members funded. Almost half our students already funded, and a lot of students haven't even finished the course. They've gone through the course, but they haven't seen all the videos yet, and they're already funded. So, there's a lot of good traders in our group now. And then one of them is full-time trading. So Tyler in the group, he's a private one-on-one mentorship student, which is slightly different than a course, but we're all trading the same strategy. But he's trading full-time now. So it's good to see how everyone is, at different stages in their trading. But ultimately, the ultimate goal, at the end is the same, right? We want to become full-time traders. Does TikTok save your TikTok lives? I'm honestly not sure. Some of you guys are gonna have to educate me on this TikTok live stuff, dude. I feel behind. What the? Dude, I've been upgrading my quality of everything for y'all, for the YouTube, for the streams. If you watched like my first video, I didn't have a webcam at first. Not that I didn't have one, but it was just a bad webcam because I didn't really take this seriously. I was just like, I'll just upload once in a while, whatever. But now, you know, we got a nice professional webcam, or a pretty solid webcam. We got a background now, decorations, LED lights. Now we even got the gamer overlay, so we got stuff going on. You know what I'm saying? Too bad y'all can't hear the banger though. Got copyrighted last stream for playing Black and White, or not Black and White, Young Black and Rich, bro. The beat is just so catchy, bro. It's not just me, right? It's just so catchy. Can't hate, man. Gotta respect it. Got to respect it. Just TP'd also on my ES short. I just went for a quick scalp on ES. So I just TP'd there. For like a 1-to-1-ish. If you guys are wondering what the short I took on ES was, it was just this. I just took my OB entry model and I just took a 1-to-1 scalp here, man. Again, I'm kind of busy right now because I'm also working on the indicators and coding those for you guys up right now while trading. It's a little hard to manage that with the stream as well, but I'm kind of used to multitasking. So that was the trade for 1-to-1 here. It was just a 1-to-1 scalp here on ES. I didn't have time to really do too much top-down analysis. I could see us taking the low. Wait. Yeah, I could see us taking a low potentially, but again, not too locked in right now in trading, but we are up. So 1 risk reward here and then -1 here. So those two break even, and then the +3. So up 3 risk reward. And then this, if you scalped, you could just TP'd here. This all depends on how you trade, man. In terms of ranges, this would be your 50%. We did come back to 50%. Some people even just use the 50% level as a TP. Some people are satisfied with 3 risk reward, so they just end there. So it just complete depends on you, man. What are y'all up to? Are you guys trading tomorrow? I hope you guys aren't trading tomorrow, bro. Because if you're trading tomorrow, I don't know what to tell you, man. Not trying to hate, but like, just wait until we get good volume. Not on like a holiday. It says stream unavailable for the old one. I think it's fine though. I think you guys can see it. But yeah, that did get closed early because of YouTube policies, unfortunately, with the music. You don't miss. Oh no, I think the other stream before today, before YouTube closed it for copyright music, I don't think it saves. Yeah, I think it's completely blocked for everyone. So you guys won't be able to see that stream, unfortunately. Yeah. All good. This one should stay up. We'll see. We'll see what happens, man. What's good, bro? I'll answer your question in just a second. Let me publish my indicator real quick because I just finished it. For those that want to get access, it includes everything now with the indicator. I'm going to publish it right now to the WAP. So just get the WAP and you'll get access to it. Where is daily? Oh, I typed it wrong. That's why. What am I doing, bro? PY indicator, kill zone, IFG indicator. Oh, last one. What was it? What did I say? What did I miss? W bias. I gotta fix that one. Once I finish this, I'll answer a question. I think he's asked something about ICT or something. All right, guys, I'm publishing an indicator right now. So if you want to get access, join the WAP and you'll get access to the indicator package. It includes all the indicators you see on the chart. Oh, I don't have it open up right now. Here, let me enable it so you guys can see it. It includes all of these. So it's a package with 5 indicators. I'm currently working on this structure indicator for y'all to auto mark out draw and liquidity and such based on how I view the markets and how I teach structure. So that will be number 6, and that should be the last indicator in the entire bundle, because there's nothing else I really use, and I don't want to overcomplicate it to the point where there's too much stuff on my screen. So again, I prefer to keep it as simple as possible and keep it like how it is now. I put ice in my mouth. What? I put ice in my mouth. Yeah, I'm hydrated. Crazy bar. Crazy bar. The code is like 2,000 lines. Okay, I'm gonna publish it right now. And then I'm gonna make this private, obviously, duh. The best. ETU Elite. And all the ETU indicators combined into one. Perfect. And then I'm gonna publish this as private, invite only. Source code will be hidden. I'm never gonna sell the code, guys, because it's part of my algo as well that I have that works. So I'm never gonna sell that. But I do have like a lifetime plan for indicators as well. Let me. Just posted it. All right, y'all get access. Check it out. Check it out on WAP. There's a 7-day free trial as well. So if y'all want to check that out, feel free to. Y'all listen to who y'all listen to? Rapper music wise, who y'all listen to? I honestly still think gold is gonna go for the high, man. Um, but we'll see what happens here. Again, you guys just use my entry models I teach in the course. You get the entries. You guys will understand. Otherwise, I think a lot of people that are new probably won't understand my entries, and that's okay. You know, it is what it is. I didn't get the perfect entry on this because I was working on the indicators, man. So for those wondering, my entry was kind of late here. So my entry is honestly not ideal. But we should be able to run these highs. If not, then, you know, it's just wrong. And then we can go break even. But ideally, you use my impulse model and your entry would be right here for 9 risk reward. And then for those that just joined, I took a scalp on ES for 1-to-1. So it really depends on how you manage your trade. Juan said, Jay, what model of trading you use? ICT? I watched a little bit of ICT, but I stopped pretty quickly. So no, I would say what I trade is SMC. If you say that's the same thing, sure. But I don't trade like fair value gap stuff. I use IFEGs, but that's only one of my entry models. The other entry models that I use, I learned myself. So you only can get access to those in the course. So they're secret models I use myself. I didn't learn them online because I learned them just from experience. What's TK? I don't know what TK means, but yeah. So half my trading I learned online. The other half I learned from experience and journaling, and have my own models I trade, man. My odd model I trade has a very high win rate, so that's why I'm chill with trading it. Let's hope for ES going for the lows here. We went off. We have a gap here, as you can see in price here. They got filled. Hopefully ES goes for the lows, man. I would have missed out a little bit on the trade because I TP for 1-to-1. This would have been a 6 risk reward banger with my setup. But I'm cool. I'm cool. Come on, let's see if ES can go for the lows. And then gold going for the highs. What the heck? Again, just published, guys. You can check out the WAP and you'll have access to indicators now. It should work. Bro, what the heck? TikTok Live is whack, bro. Alright. Let me refresh the WAP also to make sure you guys can get access from the indicators. Again, it's a 7-day free trial, so no risk there. You just want to try them out. But you would also have to get my course to understand how I use in my trading to catch high risk reward trades. Let's see. The integration should work. And WAP, they have a nice app where you can literally, like, it will automate the retrieval of an indicator to your trading view account. So it's sick. I love WAP. Bro, what is this Lil Uzi song? It's kind of fire. Hold up. Damn, bro. I missed out on ES. Damn, I could have caught. Oof, that's nasty. I could have caught so much more reward. It should go for the lows, man. If it wants to reverse, this is exactly where it would reverse from. So either we hold this or we just go straight down. I already entered or I already exited my short here for a scalp, so I can't really do too much there, to be honest. But so far, we've taken, what the heck? It's glitching. Hold on, I think my mouse is glitching. Oh, let me ping the Discord as well, the course members. My headphones, oh, one of my headphones died, bro. Damn it, AirPods, come on, man. Apple, increase your charging time. Let me find a link for y'all. Yeah, in the WAP, you can actually now get the ETU Elite indicators now. Yep, just confirmed it. What do you guys do when you're trading? I'm just curious. Oh, I just realized also part of the trade gets cropped out by the stream chat. Maybe I might have to make the stream chat smaller. Maybe. Maybe. I don't think it's too bad. Gold it's kind of moving sideways right now internally. But to recap today, for those that just joined, we got a 1 hour scalp here for TP. Took a loss here, which should have been a TP, but I didn't manage my trade properly. I got greedy with the farther TP here. So if I traded properly today, it would have been 1 winner, 2 winners, 3 winners, and then 1 break even on NQ. But again, I got greedy. So, and now the time when I don't get greedy, bro, it melts. Like, are you for real, bro? Y'all can't make this up, man. Y'all can't make this up, bro. Yo, we going for the lows, fellas. Chatting away, yeah. I'll have to move it. Um, but like I said earlier on the stream, I'm anticipating the lows to get taken, and that's literally what we're going right now. I just unfortunately just scalped this short, man. Damn, bro. Missed out on a big move. Did anyone else take those shorts, by the way? That's still holding to TP, full TP at the lows, weak lows. I'm gonna make the chat a little bit smaller here for y'all. Dude, I'm just hearing music from one of my AirPods, bro, because the other one's dead. I'm listening to Yeet right now. Let me refresh the chat. And then I gotta move this box to the right more. All right, nice. There, the chat is much smaller now. There we go, guys. Congrats to those that held it full trade short. I didn't hold the full trade short, unfortunately, to the lows. I called this out a while ago. I was at least saying that we can go for the PY below. But unfortunately, did not make as much on that trade. It only went for one risk reward here. How are you guys? Are you guys trading right now? How are you guys doing? We are green currently on the stream. +1, and then on NQ is a -1, so those broke even, and then -1 here, and then +3. This is something I had to just journal because I missed it because I was too focused on indicator stuff. Sheesh. If you were trading NQ, you would have missed the trade with my entry model. So whether or not that's just pure coincidence, but usually I like trading ES personally. But it worked out, man. Dude, we are dumping hard. Let's go. Let's go. All right, y'all. I'm gonna end the stream here, man. We caught some nice banger trades on stream. I'm about to end it here. It's getting kind of late here, so hopefully you guys did catch those trades with me, man. And this stream shouldn't be copyrighted, so stay up if you want to go back. But the other stream, unfortunately, with the trades taken, it got copyrighted by the music. So, ooh, let's go, Starter Sign. Starter Sign. Brian? What trades did you take? Dude, we got edged on the. Me and Brian got edged on the gold ban. On this first gold, it was literally 2 ticks away from TP. But glad to hear that you came back, my bro. Later, I took a 3 reward here, going for the high that I was saying, a PY above, and then this is also another entry. You could just scalp if you want to. And then, of course, oh my gosh. Oh. I missed out on so much risk reward here. Damn. Absolutely tanked, bro. Hopefully that what you guys just heard did not copyright. My headphones just died. All right, I'm gonna see you guys in the next stream. See y'all. Peace. Oh, join the free Discord also if you're not in there. And then the course, again, last call for the course, code July 4th for 200 off. And